Okay fellas, eyes off the Land Rover, she's not for sale. In this video I'm going to use the 12 gauge Boito coach gun. And if you have a closer look, it's been fitted with a sight off an M203 grenade launcher. I had also planned to fit the stock off an M79 grenade launcher to the shotgun, but I haven't got around to doing that, if I ever will. The recoil of the 12 gauge doesn't justify the stock anyway. I have fired an M79 in the army, and it is quite a lot more than the shotgun, at least in push, not so much jolt. And of course the reason for these modifications is the use of explosive projectiles in the 12 gauge. So these are made by ADI, or at least they used to be. Anyway, I'm not real sure what to do with them other than just firing them off. I could pretend it's like a flak gun shooting into a flock of galahs or something, but I don't think that'll make it on YouTube.
We're going to have the cops out here. Yeah. How often have you been doing this?
There was a fox living in there. That'll stir him up a little bit. Anyways, I've lined a box up as a target downrange there. And take two. Well, I've opened one up and this is the actual explosive slug that's fired. So it's just a plastic capsule and it's full of flash powder. So it's in effect a shotgun launched flashbang. And its actual purpose is to scare away birds from airports and things like that. Anyway, what I do have on hand is an extra M203 grenade launcher sight. So it's a genuine army surplus sight. A new one will cost about $260, and a surplus one about $100 or so. So this is a genuine article. It's from, still got like an Iraqi dust on it, and I'll give it away. So if you want to get your hands on a grenade launcher sight for whatever reason, all you have to do, next time you see the sight in a video uploaded by me, just say you want it and I'll send it to you. So I think that's the fairest way of doing it. So that way it's going to go to a subscriber, it's going to go to someone who's seen this video and has watched the next one, and to someone that genuinely wants it. And what reason you'd want one? Well, I'll show you in the next video to feature it. Not the next video I upload, but the actual next video that features this sight.